Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Right.
Bingo, 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 bingo.
Come on with that one, 3,000.
The baby want fix my son.
It
I like
was,
drive me and comb it out.
you know like it?
Yeah, I'm not like a baby hair flat. I'm like comb it out. Look at him there. I'm like it come out.
I don't know if I make my baby ear them, my love.
So much more in the ask me about nails. I'm going to nails and I'm afraid.
Let me see it. You know me think separate and with the glue on one them.
You know it's a person nails, Joe?
Let me see it.
But I want place where you say, but it don't look like person nails. You want your fingernails if I come out.
No man, me have one pot of person, you know what? See them girl all them tall and judgment.
I don't like that for them like nails.
You have a nail.
Glue with them.
What you mean?
To buy my nails them.
You have one. Well, if you're not like nails, then buy beer, get press on. Find one press on. Find some girl to do the press on them and work with them and put on a nice press on them. I got work.
You fingernail like poison.
Me only eat when them lick up.
No, you love anything else for the people, with females, anything at all. Like you like you don't want eyelash on this to oat this song.
Oh me?
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna say extra now. Oh,
Who just said that?
I'm gonna say extra for true.
Please tell me who just said the extra.
I don't extra. Can you see me? I put in all the girl me. I say I put in the whole the invisible lash them every and them can't open them eye and them I put. No, I'm gonna extra for true.
Mashe, the only reason because you can't make myself for 4 hours.
Give me the extra more. I sit down for the 4 hours and do it. You want me to have to fix it? I'm gonna have to do all that extra shit.
Marsha, when you turn around and look at your apartment right now, tell me if you're not extra. Or when you tell me things that we have in the apartment, tell me if you don't extra.
I'm gonna extra them are regular for me. It's not extra. Maybe you see that's extra, but to me it's regular, it's normal.
Marsha, you're very extra. You wanna know you?
And I'm not extra. I'm gonna tell you say it's normal.
I don't know from now. So we have Jamaica, and we have a boat ride. So we have to leave from the boat ride. Marsha now leave after the boat ride until everybody out on the parking lot. And Marsha will turn around our white going to the BMW, the 4-wheeler them up wine on the music of a load or even the dance. I want one different kind of come out.
At the end of the day, the dance done, and you have the celebrity, and you have to walk and meet and greet everybody.
No, walk and meet and greet nobody. Marsha, you turn on the music so loud. The people feel want that. No man, everybody know who that come out and everybody know who. First thing I say, no man, Mitchi and Bimma that are coming. That's even the man. You say carry in the car, you know. No man, Mitchi and Bimma that are coming.
And then you did break the net, man. And we have to go find the front of the dance and the things them.
Marsha, I'm going to the boat ride. When the sun out, right? Go down in 2 o'clock, that now make no sense.
So girl, so you know what the people them see your clothes, man, I forgotten the daylight.
Bright early.
Bright and early. Wake up 5 o'clock in the morning and start get ready.
No.
We reach around 6 o'clock and leave 7:30. Yeah.
When you already we don't start do wake o'clock. When look, wake up, no, and when I take up one makeup call. So the board them are doing already.
Ready. Jamaica did nice though.
I wish somebody bring down somebody let them close the day. Somebody.
Remember though?
Ever a Shabba with Shabba bring them close there.
Me.
Nah laugh.
Oh my God. I like me. I have to dress up my sister.
I'm going to go to the store for any clothes. Can for bread? I'm going to go up at the store.
A statement. Them days I did nice.
Nice. Yes.
Oh, that's I look forward to December, early January.
Pier dance.
And the friend of them are coming in. We have to go Muggle.
Muggle.
You're come on, you're disrespectful clothes.
Otada.
I'm saying Kevin Nash. What are you doing at the party, you know? She's son of
Kevin never come near Kevin now come tell and last half.
You mad?
Security. I'm a carry. I let the clothes in at 2 o'clock in the night. Curious, I make my clothes and me got a boat ride 4 o'clock. Yeah.
For them style that, and then she saved the last 30 minutes to make fair fun. Them days I did nice. Memories.
By the score.
Sunday sale. And then things there. Jamaica was a vibe.
Jamaica.
We'll go back in about 10 years. Let's see what one.
So why you have to talk about one Sawa?
Talking about oh. What you talking about?
No, sir. But I tell you, like, Miss Shabba used to add and give me little money. Nah, Shabba used to add and give me money.
You remember the house that
You went inside. And the first flat ever cook for me and Kerry.
Hey, you move out of the ghetto to the whole Jamaica talk.
Oh, it's the
And live uptown.
oh, far.
Oh,
Far
nice.
to the taxi.
You remember that? You remember that when I moved on Redlands Road?
But everywhere. All walks of life.
Right run a price right there, so.
Yeah, Valentine Gardens.
Yeah, such man living.
Me and nobody never live in. Me and no one never live in. Please don't mix me up.
I say the request dash. I say.
Come on, live and call nobody name never go on bad. Let me for that like that.
I said such man.
No call me Jesus Christ, Father.
Hey, they didn't love you now.
I always in love fit me, I want.
No, you're always in love for true.
In love fit me.
One thing, but yeah.
I'm not girl, can't be loving in my body. Marsha said, I must say something there. Nash she said it.
I'm not lie. Mr. One day I'm going to Mr. Good enough, no fun in the room. Huh?
Bimma!
What, baby?
You remember when the man move out of the house, left me one in there?
Should they move out?
You forgot?
Where they
We
move?
don't have to about the part there.
Where they move? Go back. Where they move? Go back or something there?
Down a south, right down a south.
Yeah, Curtis always can agree. Yeah, Curtis always agree. You want the big man do what you want to do with that.
Yeah. Bright.
Oh, you can't tell what for do myself.
Bright.
All right. One thing about Mitchi and Mr. Shagga take the look of our follow back a girl. The man just said them.
Listen to me. Do not listen to Marsha and I don't know what Marsha talking about.
Love a lot. Change.
You change, Mitchi?
Person.
You sure?
Yes, I'm not like Marsha.
Well, you just say change also.
No
Yeah.
change.
Anything you say.
No, she had tell. The only thing she change her currency where she has spent. and a long time she has spent US too, so not even that much change. Yeah.
Yes,
Move out.
You must say Mitchi in love. Mitchi used to in love for you.
A while.
Like,
You used to in love for you, Mitchi, man.
I don't know what you're talking about.
How much is
Try to keep a straight face.
I say, Mitchi make me go down. Where name Branco? I said the club name Branco Club.
No, but every night you know a Branco club. Let's talk about it. Not so every night you know a Branco.
I say I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
I lie. Me never used to down there every night. I lie.
I'm nervous.
You hear me come, but not every night.
At the same time, the tall back and dance. Go to the people them dance.
Same, I'm nervous till a week, you know, the party
Oh,
them.
Bimma, you used to love them place there.
I still want to go down in the garage, so.
Yeah, Bimma love them place there, but nervous. I used to love it. I used to the pan. Watch the man.
I'm a friend.
Yo!
Me,
I used to love it.
love it and nervous.
You remember?
Love it and nervous, girl.
Alex come from Alex back out with them at garage, so.
Yeah.
Oh.
Those days was nice though, especially when we used to go boat ride at morning time.
And your master brown one.
Who that?
And you talk, I come on too. It's a jail name.
Taj?
Taj, yeah. And about there is a party.
Oh, where they go?
Oh, remember?
Yeah, where they go?
Yeah,
What is the name again?
All brought to the day. All you
one
come.
night me see my one party I put more dolly down.
All them saw Masha, she come and I said, bad man for go buy a cigarette for her out of the sale.
One night, me see Bimma at one party at Portmore Dolly Dong. Really?
I love them girl back.
I must man, me did that catch. Sure.
Back road.
Eh?
How do you run a back road for no reason?
Man, I have to circle the streets, man.
No reason.
Yes, dear, I'm in Jamaica. Jamaica. Me alone, me see them have one something on TikTok for one boat. Me soon take one boat.
You have to jump on it. Yeah.
Wait,
Now, first thing first, I saw an eagle. Eagle look like it reached fast.
Yeah, the eagle, them have one eagle for two. Me that one there too.
oh, me remember TikTok with it. I make it. I remember TikTok. I don't make one on the boat. I make the one with the eagle now.
I see enough from when me I look for it.
I know how to find it.
What, the one with the eagle?
Yeah, I can't find it.
Just go on TikTok. Type in it and you see it.
Already.
You can save it.
You trick
Let
a
me
boy that.
send it. Let me send it to you.
You trick a boy that night. Them days are usually nice. Them days are usually nice, man. I see all the go-go club. All the go-go club back road. Not like when me daddy done got Eddie.
No. So, bread away, get bread frontal wig.
What you say?
Eh?
Hey, bread frontal wig.
Oh, I'm just still. Oh.
Love you and support you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
No, it's a pass for me. Oh, the fake page and come out for you now.
Mm-hmm.
Nasha, you personally met the clothes them?
Yes, sir. The one I wear. Oh.
The boy come tell me say I like it, but I couldn't. I lie. You could have tell him. My son is stay.
Here, yeah.
Hey, Maya, kill me over here. Maya said the boy come tell me say.
You know, I usually love go to Ken's Wildflower.
Here there.
I'm not going to get jive government for no reason. I tell go buy a jerk chicken. They don't have nothing for
But I know that. But remember saying, no, Mitchi, she used to drop we have.
I'm going
head out.
I'm for ask her.
I'm going like she go home. I'm going like she go home and head right out.
I'm not going to ask her no question.
Mm-mm.
I'm ever put more than keep myself out. I buy me the clothes to wear.
Nash want a frock. Alright, darling. Who that want a frock?
No.
National, I used to take care, but I got a party. I don't say Masha, I don't have no clothes. But we got to dance. I put my Masha in the clue. When you look at Shabba, I go to Shabba, you can buy some for me and Shabba buy the clothes to just for the dance.
I wish party would go at Portmore again. Run at the back, run at one back something. We run at the back.
James White floor upstairs.
I'm not behind Ken's, man.
Where?
Behind Ken's.
Ken's White floor up on the upstairs.
birthday fabric? Were you guys reading or what?
I don't know.
Oh, are you assess so? No, the birthday fabric, remember? Me just say the red fabric, I have it. So me just say my order it, and me need to make something for the birthday.
Them love drag things, man.
Exactly. Nash don't say nothing about that. People are mixing.
But that is not even mixed up either.
That me I wonder.
Nikki says sorry she.
Yeah.
What you know about man?
Yes. So, them two, them disgusting. Russia, man.
Somebody say yes, them see your mother today. Jella, girl, Jella. Hey, Bimma, yesterday, that's something where you wear with the short hair. At them time, they look like Jella, you know.
Yeah.
One night, yeah.
I'm ready to
Short
shot.
hair and their fur. Jesus. If me never look good here, me I wear Jella do ya so.
Marsha, I like Jella. Jella after that Marsha.
I say,
No,
because somebody.
Jada, not Jada. Jella,
Talk.
Angela.
Angela. I'm saying Angela.
Oh.
Somebody not after that. Somebody.
Angela after that by far.
I mean, after that, you by far. So somebody. After that, somebody. After Hold on.
Murder. I'm gonna do my work, you know.
And the other part, she never said that.
So then still the